There will be a few questions, 3 questions, which will be asked by members of the press.
Government officials have been restrained in commenting affairs to do with Rwanda.
For the part of Uganda and maybe for the part of Rwanda.
I want to know, Uganda
And as a further gesture of goodwill, the government of Uganda has decided to release 13 more Rwandan nationals in addition to the 9 that were released on the 8th of January 2020. And most importantly, it is Uganda's expectation that Rwanda too will reciprocate the goodwill gesture by addressing the concerns that Uganda has raised, including people being detained and including still incarcerated in Rwanda, within the Rwanda framework, which requires immediate action. But for us, we are doing what we hope that will be reciprocated and will lead to normalization of relations. We are not saying people are innocent. We are just saying we want to clear the way to normalize the relations.